Hello everybody, welcome back to First Step, students' first choice for their study notes and concepts discussions, crisp, to the point, focused. Today we are going to talk about competitive advantage. It's a very important concept in management and commerce area. We need to understand why a company competes and gets advantageous position in comparison to others. Why is a company more successful than others in the same industry? It's a condition of competitive advantage. One has to understand the companies are in the same industry, they are having different capabilities because of their individual capability or organization capability or strategic directions they have chosen. Competitive advantage is a condition or circumstance that puts a company in a favorable or superior business position. These are the conditions that allow a company or a country to produce or good or service of equal value at lower price or in a more desirable fashion. These conditions allow productive entity to generate more sales or superior margin in comparison to its market rivals. Competitive advantages are attributed to variety of factors. Different factors are there which contribute to gain advantage over competition to others. Look at this diagram, the photograph given there in the bottom right. Everybody was running the race. Everybody had their ranks. One person had the cycle, so he moved forward faster than the others. So this is one or the other reason one company leads because of its cost structure or branding superiority or superior quality of products offering better than the industry because of technology, because of product composition or product packaging altogether. Advantage may be because of distribution network or the know-how, intellectual property and copyrights, or the way they serve to customers, hand-holding of the customers. Something they will be doing so that the company gets advantage of others. So we need to understand the different sources of competitive advantage. First is people. Any company is a business entity created, managed and run by its people, which is called as human resource. The knowledge, the attitude, the perception, the ability to make team and perform in team are the key guiding factor for success for a company. Their ability to work in team and work for foreseeable future, acceptance of leaders, giving opportunity to people, these are the key guiding factors for creation of competitive advantage for companies. If the people are innovative and creative and productive, they produce and establish relationship with each other, the stakeholders, the shareholders, the customers, authorities in the environment, the circumstances, then the company gets a competitive advantage over others. The rapport building exercises between the internal resources and external resources. It is the people who makes a company success. Second point is organization culture and structure. Some company have traditional pyramidal structure. Some company has matrix structure in the modern era. The company, how its culture is developed, how the habit of people are there in company, their total behavior, their belief, mission, norms and symbols that they use in organization. All these contribute to unite company, perform and win the race. Some company offer combined open dining, some company offers leisures, training. Different cultures are there in different companies so that they get the binding between the people, interaction between people and perform better for future. The processes and practices of companies also make differentiation in performance of companies. The way they conduct a particular operation, the processes involved, how transparent are the processes, how interdependent processes are there, and how the processes are designed in sequence. All these matters for create competitive advantage. Sometimes the processes are so difficult that people understand what is being done, but it is very difficult for others to copy it. Then product and the individual intellectual property. The individual intellectual property of companies and its employees create a differentiation factors between different companies in the same industry. Companies get superior position because of the cost differentiations, product differentiations, and the cost structure. Then they get superior skills because of the different tools and trade facilities, technical know-hows, expertise. They get superior resources because of the coverage, economy of scales, financial structure, shared experiences, and global environmental understanding and molding the present day operations for future. Fifth point about the competitive advantage sources: capital and natural resources that a company has. The amount of capital one company has, its own resource. Then the natural resources, like some companies have minerals, some companies have natural abundance of resources like waters, or like land, like favorable environment. All these are the natural resources which creates a differentiation factor for the companies. Some companies develop in technology prone area, so they are having different kind of advantage in terms of either know-how, technology, or in the logistics. Then technology is also one of the source of modern day industry. The companies which are reliant on more and more technology, the companies who have adopted to more and more latest technology, they are supposed to be less disturbed in turbulences and unfavorable circumstances, because technologically they will develop a long-term agile products and corporates. To create and make competitive advantage, a company must know where the competition is, whom they are competing with, and what are their SWOT analysis, what are their output of this SWOT. Then the target market, who the customers are, whom their products are being made, how the product positioning is done, how the customer is perceiving the product, and what could be the future demand of the customer. Third point to understand is the benefit that they are operating for customers, and what they will be doing with these benefits in future. So this is in just about competitive advantage. This creates differentiation factor for success of one particular company in industry.